Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, now about you cannot remove data from the blockchain. Here's why. Over the past few years, blockchain technology has become widely popular across an array of different industries. Blockchains are known for their ability to record and store data securely, but can sense information or ever be removed. Is blockchain data truly permanent, and if so, why is this the case? If you're not well versed in blockchain technology, it can be difficult to understand the dynamic of blockchain data storage. So let's friends first run over a quick recap of how this works. Blockchain store data using something called distributed ledger technology. DLT distributed ledger technology is an umbrella term for an array of different systems, including blockchains. Using DLT, blockchains can record and store data without needing their third party. There is also no central authoritative party that controls distributed ledgers, making them far less susceptible to corruption. Data stored on a blockchain is shared with multiple users, known as nodes, who can access and view said data at any time. This gives blockchain network transparent that nodes must also verify the data recorded on a blockchain. Usually, every node must verify the data, but certain consensus protocols only record a few nodes for verification. But in any case, blockchain technology requires the green light from multiple distributed users to record data rather than one central entity. This is why blockchain technology forms the backbone of the cryptocurrency industry, as it allows transaction data to be securely stored and accessible to all users. This mode of data storage is also becoming popular in the healthcare, insurance, and traditional finance industries. So, if a piece of data has been recorded and stored on a blockchain, can it be removed? The short answer to this question is no. You cannot remove data from a blockchain, but let's delve into why this is the case. Above all else, blockchains are known for being immutable. This means that any data that has been verified and added to a block cannot be altered for delete. Think of every block as a stone carving, wherein you can simply hit the delete button on the data. Once the data is there for good. This is because blockchain technology uses consensus mechanisms to operate, so nodes on the blockchain must come to a consensus about a new piece of data before it is added to a block. So if you piece of data before it is added a block, so if you try to delete or alter information within a block, you are not eligible with the natural consensus on that piece of data, meaning the alteration or deletion will not take place. It's also worth noting that once that is added to a block in inserted with every node within the network, this makes all the data on the blockchain utterly transparent. So even if data deletion or alteration was possible, every node will be able to see that it has happened. Okay, maybe just enough from me, and I'm sorry for the mistake. Um Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.